Man, this is my jam.
Hey, pull over right here.
Everyone loves to give to ministries that work in the areas that they are passionate about, collectively making a difference with like-minded people who have the same heart for ministry and helping others in different areas of need. We know there is no better feeling than to join together with other people who have the same heart for ministry and helping others.
That's my jam.
We call this your Give Jam. We all know the joy of giving to ministries that make a real difference in the lives of people that maybe need a little extra help, or sometimes a lot of help. Ministries that are making a real difference in the lives of people that honestly need our help.
Helping people is my jam.
Give Jam gives you a great opportunity to give to your favorite ministry while shopping great products that you will love and use for yourself, or maybe even give to someone that you care about. Then Give Jam will donate a portion of that purchase to the ministry that touches your heart. Can't pick your Give Jam? Don't worry, you can even check out the growing list of participating ministries here.
My jam is seeing people set free from addictions.
You can even change your Give Jam to bless another ministry the next time you shop. We invite you to check out Give Jam today and start being a part of a great community of people that love to give.
My jam is encouraging women.
We all have ministries we are compelled to want to bless. So tell us, what is your Give Jam?